Living with an autoimmune disease can feel overwhelming, but the food you eat can make a huge difference. In today's video, I'll share the best foods that support your immune system, lower inflammation, and help your body heal naturally. Let's dive in! Best foods for autoimmune disease. Eat to heal nature. Ethel here. Join me guys up until the end and we will all find out what are these best foods for autoimmune disease. Let's go! Here are 8 best foods for autoimmune disease. The best food for autoimmune disease, the top one, fatty fish. Example given are salmon, sardines, mackerel. Omega-3s fight inflammation. The second best food for autoimmune disease, leafy greens. Example given are spinach, kale, Swiss chard, rich in vitamins and antioxidants. The third best food for autoimmune disease, berries. Example given are blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. High in polyphenols that reduce oxidative stress. The fourth best food for autoimmune disease, turmeric and ginger. Natural anti-inflammatory spices. The fourth can see, adding these powerful foods to your meals isn't just about eating healthy, it's about helping your body fight inflammation and restore balance. Let's continue with more foods that can truly transform your autoimmune journey. Moving on, the fifth autoimmune disease best food, bone broth. Supports gut lining and reduces autoimmune flare-ups. The top 6 best food for autoimmune disease, olive oil and avocados. Healthy fats to calm the immune system. The seventh best food for autoimmune disease, fermented foods. Example given are sauerkraut, kimchi, yogurt, kefir, restore gut microbiome balance. The last food or the eighth food for autoimmune disease, nuts and seeds. Example given are walnuts, chia, flaxseed, pumpkin seeds. Healthy fats and minerals. These are some of the best foods you can eat to manage autoimmune disease naturally. Remember, small changes in your diet can bring big improvements to your energy, mood, and overall health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who needs it. And subscribe for more healing food tips. Stay strong and keep nourishing your body. Autoimmune is An autoimmune disease happens when your immune system, which normally protects you from viruses and bacteria, mistakenly attacks your own healthy cells and tissues. Examples of autoimmune diseases: rheumatoid arthritis attacks the joints. 2. Lupus can affect skin, kidneys, joints, and more. 3. Hashimoto's thyroiditis attacks the thyroid. 4. Type 1 diabetes attacks insulin producing cells in the pancreas. 5. Psoriasis attacks the skin. Common symptoms: 1. Fatigue. 2. Joint pain or swelling. 3. Skin rashes. 4. Digestive problems. 5. Brain fog. Main cause: doctors don't fully know why it happens, but it's often linked to genetics, environment, infections, stress, and diet. That's why eating the right foods can help reduce inflammation and calm the immune system to make symptoms more manageable. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel here is signing off.